Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to fix the 0E error code on the Samsung dishwasher. But first, what does the OE error code mean? OE is an over-level water error that indicates an issue with the dishwasher's drainage system. It means that the water level in the appliance is exceeded. When the dishwasher has this error, water will not drain properly, and not all the food particles will be cleared from the dishes. The following are some of the common causes of the OE error. Clogged discharge. When the discharge system is clogged, it blocks the water from flowing through it, leading to the error code. This problem may also occur when the water discharge hose is clogged or pressed, since it makes water stagnate in the dishwasher. Control board glitch. Sometimes the dishwasher's control panel may not work as expected, and it may lead to the OE error. A lack of power could simply cause the glitch. Faulty drain pump. When pump motors fail electrically or mechanically, they can lead to the error code. A mechanical fault is likely to occur when a foreign object sticks in the drain pump. Now, let's look at the best solutions you can apply to fix the OE error. Inspect the discharge system. Open the dishwasher's door and access the grid. Turn the filter knob counterclockwise. Take out the microfilter. Eliminate the dirt using a brush and rinse it with water. Check the discharge tube to confirm that it's not clogged by grease. If you notice that the water discharge hose is pressed, remove the bend, and if it's clogged, clean it. Reset the appliance. If you suspect that the error code has been caused by a control board glitch, try resetting it. Disconnect the dishwasher from power for at least 5 minutes. Reconnect it to the power outlet. On the control panel, press the power button. Begin a new cycle without cleaning any dishes. Confirm whether the OE error is no longer displaying. Inspect the drain pump. Check the drain pump for faults. If you notice a foreign object in the drain pump, remove it. However, if there's no clogging in the connecting hoses or drain pump, test it with a multimeter. If the drain pump doesn't pass a resistance test, you may need to replace it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.